Hello MYP5, we are going to start with a new topic today on intersecting chords, tangents and secants. So we are on page number 509 and the first case we are going to look at is intersecting chords. So intersecting chords is like when two chords are intersecting inside the circle. Keep in mind they are not crossing at the center. This is not the center, it's just the intersection point for the two chords. So the formula, and you can see I've labeled the ends of the chords as A, B, C and D, and the formula for that is AX times XB is equals to CX times XD. So we are going to look at the example, one example now, example 1 from page 510. So you can see this diagram, it's not intersecting at the circle. So length from A to X is just X, length from X to B is 4, and C to X is 3, X to D is 12. So those are multiplied, which is 4x is equals to 36. Let's get rid of the 4. It comes this side as divide by 4, you get x is equals to 9. Let's look at example 2 on the same page. That's page 510. So in this case, you can see your lengths are given in terms of our expression. We are using the same formula and I'm relabeling my diagram according to my formula. A and B are on the opposite side. C and D are labeled on the opposite side as well. So A to X is X times X to B is X plus 1. Can you see X plus 1 is written inside the bracket because that's one entire term. C to X is 6 and X to D is X minus 1. And I am going to expand my bracket to get rid of the bracket. So this becomes X squared and X plus X times 1 is X. This is again expanded. The bracket is expanded, which is ending up at 6x minus 6. Okay, I can see my highest power is 2 and it's ending up like a quadratic equation, and you know the rule, we can only solve a quadratic equation if it is equal to 0. If it is not, then we will make it equal to 0. Okay, you must have noticed I've taken everything one by one on the other side. Plus 6 has become as minus 6x, minus 6 will go this side as plus 6x. I've combined these two, simplified it. So x minus 6x is negative 5x. Now that's a straightforward quadratic equation. Look for two numbers that multiplies to give 6 and add to gives negative 5. So negative 2 and negative 3. In some cases you can't find the combination. You may use the quadratic formula which you have learnt little earlier. Right, so those are negative 3 and 2, negative 3 and negative 2. So values of x can either be 2 or it can either be can be 3. And keep in mind it's not specified. The length here is 3 and 3. This is 3 minus 1, which is 2, 3 plus 1, which can be 4. But if I take x is equals to 2, then this will be 2 and 2 minus 1, which is 1, 2 plus 1, which will be 3. Thank you.